Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we discuss about what is marine insurance. So let's start the video. First of all, you click on your browser. When you click your browser, this page will be opened. You just click in the search bar and search what is marine insurance. When you search, the website page will be opened. You just scroll down and click in this website what is marine insurance, benefit and types. When you click this website, the page will be opened of what is marine insurance and how does it works. As a simple definition of insurance would be protection against your future losses. Marine insurance is another variant for your general insurance. Term insurance, and it is the name of suggested, it is provided to shipyards and marine offshore installation and floating equipments. Independent owner car avail for the insurance facilitated in their watercraft, yachts and the player craft. Some boat insurance coverage include the wreck of removal and salvage without additional huge of coverage cost. Most importantly, coverage of your insurance provide the coverage of cargo loaded onto a ship or vessel during to the transportation process. Different types of coverage option offer to protection to the various kinds of your size of ships. Depending on the routes of taken, insurance policies will be kind of your laid out and contact with your needed and are bedded for by two parties. A policy ensures that your vessel it is against the common risk of your property damage, thief, collision, explosion, and capacity etc. Marine liability insurance or protection is the immediately protect and a third party's liabilities, and the ship owners for the companies are exposed the during of your their operations. It is be immediately for your not liability coverage. It is include the coverage for injuries, illness, and losses of life cases. Violating your visual, medical expenditure, damage, or other vessels, claim and related to expenses are also covered. Many types of insurance and marine insurance companies with the year of experience and expertise for offer different coverage plans. Some inland of the marine insurance provide coverage for the goods and transit even when you have to reach and the lane of taken for the storage and log list for facilities. Marine insurance cover for the essential because of through marine insurance ship owner and transporters are the sure for claiming damage, especially considering the mode of your transportation used. Of the four modes of transport, road, air, rail, and water, it is the latter most of which cause of your worry. Add to that transporters not only because of their natural occurrence with the potential to harm your coverage and the vessel, but also have to other indicate and attribute which cloud to uses the huge of losses and financial cost to transporter and shipping corporation. Incident like privacy and the possibilities like a crosses product should also have to pay a major treat for your water shipment. Therefore, after you have to avoid the losses of because such as event and happenings. In the interest for the corporation and transporter, it is always beneficial to have and backup for marine insurance. Now we discuss the another important acceptance for having the marine insurance. It is the transporter can be chosen for their insurance plan per size of ship and the routes for your boat taken the transport for the cargo and many much more minor points which is could have to the great length of affecting the transporter majority. Also, since of the various plans and policies are the indicated covering for not just on the cargo for also vessel, these transporters can choose the avail for your best policy that is the suit his business. However, as a much of marine insurance providers for a claim and transporters are corporation, it is to be understood that is the ticket for your strictness insurance areas when it is insurance commenced form of your 17th century awarded while dealing with the scope of your range marine insurance. A ship caption must follow their rigorous protocol regarding to the routine of taken to the cargo of vessels and reach for the intended destination port. Because of there are the discrepancy for your violation terms and the rukun for taken, it is the caption of various and the degrees of route and originally intended a part of your ship courses and they have to mischamp occurring for the visual and you have to cargo insurance claims will be rejected entirely without a possibility and claim being to be membership of climate some of features date after a few throughout negotiates. Therefore, it becomes essential for ship's captain taken due to consideration about your prospectus and avoided for the failed internship map ship occurring to the visual and cargo insurance. will they have to reject entirely without a possibility of claims, begin to membership and climate for future dates after few throughout negotiations.